Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Oh my gosh, don't look at my face, don't look at my skin. I am so dried out right now. I did not put any lotion, makeup, nothing. I woke up and it just kind of came out like this. I'm not in a rush or anything. It just, I felt like if I took my time to get ready, well, I feel like I was gonna not want to come out again. I don't know, for me, like I feel like the longer it takes for me to get ready, like the more I don't want to leave the house. I've been feeling really homebody lately, so I'm like, no, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. It's beautiful. I mean, it's cold, but you know, Chicago weather, it's gonna get really, really shitty really, really soon. So I'm like, I gotta get out. Hey everyone, I just finished eating. It always feels so funny when I go out to eat by myself and film alone and then just come out and like I'm able to talk again because you know when I'm filming it's just like I'm trying to be as sneaky as possible so people don't know that I'm filming, you know. So I don't say a word. Like, I mean, it's so easy for me to talk to camera when I'm alone or when I'm a little better when I'm with Tong, but when I am in public by myself, it's because I just get really shy. It doesn't matter how long I've been YouTubing, I think it's just always so shy for me. But anyways, I feel like I could talk again. Like I feel like I could breathe. Another thing, when I film in the public by myself, I always feel like I rush eating. So I try to remind myself not to like, you know, eat too fast. But yeah, I just got all the groceries. I got like a bunch of like, I don't even know what I got anymore. The curry was good. Yeah, it tasted like what it looked like. I mean, I had curry there before. I really like that. There's I also wanted this noodles they sell there. It's like like a mixed noodle. It's soupless, but it has like ground pork, scallions, and egg, like a raw egg yolk, and you just mix it together. It's so freaking good, but just too much for myself, you know, a one person to eat curry and that. So I just picked curry. Man, so the ramen house there, I'm so shocked how busy they are still. Last time I remember coming here back in like high school, because like everyone's like, you should try the ramen. It was like one of the very few ramen places in Chicagoland area, right? And I was like, okay, it makes sense. You know, everybody, like, people watch Japanese anime, Japanese shows. Of course, they want ramen. And it's the only place that had it. But even today, every time I come here, recently, you know, like today and like past few other like months, they always line up before it opens. So it's kind of crazy to me. Like, I don't remember the taste that well, but as far as I remember, it's not that different. I don't know, but there's still people lined up, you know, trying to get their ramen. So it's kind of shocking. Anyways, I think I'm done. Look at all this crap that I bought. This is what happens if you stay home and stare at your phone all day. Where do I sleep? I have this, was this corn croquet? I got this at the Japanese market yesterday, and it's too early for lunch. I already had breakfast. Yep, first thing in the morning, breakfast. And oh, I got the curry one. I wish I got the corn. Oh, it's not bad. The curry flavor is not overly strong. Oh, not bad. Oh man, if I had that okonomiyaki sauce or even the takoyaki sauce, it just would be great. It's just like almost like mashed potato with curry flavor. I thought it would be more like chunky. It's still not bad, but it's like I think it's like 1%. Something's missing, and I'd say you need some kind of sauce with it. I finished the show called The Watcher on Netflix, and I just got totally into it. I think he really likes it. It's not like jumpy scary, but it's a little eerie, and I really like that, and I think Toon likes that too. So it was I don't know. I asked on Instagram if you guys recommended. It was kind of like, actually it was really mixed. A lot of people, either they really loved it, or a lot of people were like really didn't like it. So I liked it. It wasn't bad. Is it just me, or are you guys feeling Christmas movies? Oh man, I'm so ready. I think in November they're gonna start releasing crazy amount of Christmas movies on Netflix and probably other platform. Because right now there's not much to see.
You think your mom's gonna like me?
No. I'm sorry.
I love Mila Kunis. Oh my gosh, she plays so many different characters. She pulls it off so well too. But I think I definitely like her when she plays more some like in comedy. I had so many multiple attempts on this egg cover or egg sheet, but I just need a good frying pan. It's not me, it's the frying pan. Anyways, I also have some leftover kimchi stew. I made this yesterday for Tom, but it turned out really, really well. I didn't film it, but wow, that was so good. Mm. Mm. Just wanted something very ketchupy. More ketchup, the merrier. Mm. Mm. Oh man, it's good. I took a lot of prepping today, but since I prepped a lot, it'll be more easy when I make the next fried rice. It doesn't have to be this kind, it could be, I mean, next time I could even do like garlic and bacon fried rice. That's more like salty instead of like sour and sweet like this. I could even use that for pasta, you know? That's great. I should do that more often. I know it's not very pretty that I had to put it in a recycled or my to-go boxes, but hey, just being practical. Tung and I really are trying to, or we're trying to keep myself accountable to not buy any more new things. And we really didn't. Usually whenever we move around, we buy new stuff, but this time we really didn't. This house was, we knew it was very temporary, and we really want the move to be very easy, so we're trying to keep it very minimal. You know the Midnight Dinner on Netflix? There is a Korean version of it. I don't think it's on Netflix or anywhere that I know of, but I kind of want to watch that too. It's obviously more focusing on Korean food. You know, I get really hooked into different shows. Like, I can't watch multiple shows in a day. I have to watch only one thing. I don't care if I repeatedly watch. I just have to watch it. And right now, I'm really hooked to Tasty Guys again. I know one of the reasons why I really like the show is, yes, they eat amazing food. And they're funny. All of them are comedians, so it's really, their like chemistry with four of them is really funny. But it's so like happy to see them so happy eating good food. I love that.
저기 부담 없이 카드 하나 올라서 두 번째입니다. 축하합니다. 축하합니다.